All-in-one selfie stick. This selfie stick tripod with remote has built-in folding legs, which can be used as a selfie stick when closed and can be used as a standalone tripod when opened. You can easily switch between selfie stick cell phone tripod stand. Intimate one-click shooting design. This selfie stick is equipped with a detachable one-button shooting Bluetooth remote control. The UBeesize team placed the Bluetooth remote control in the most suitable position of the handle, allowing you to easily complete the shooting with one hand. Lightweight portable. This tripod for iPhone is made of aluminum alloy and the legs are made of highly tough ABS, which is not only small and light, but also very strong and sturdy. It is more durable than previous iPhone tripod stand and can withstand stronger shocks. Adjustable rotatable. This selfie stick tripod for cell phone is equipped with a 360 rotatable ball head, which allows your selfie stick to shoot horizontally as well as vertically. You can find the best and beautiful shooting angle to capture the wonderful moments and leave the best memories. Widely compatible universal phone holder fits most smartphones with or without a case. The selfie stick for iPhone with universal 1/4 inch screw compatible with phones such as iPhone 13, 12, 11 Pro Max XS Max 8, 6, 7 Plus Android Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, Note 8, S8, S8 Plus, S7 Edge, J7, Google Pixel, Samsung, Huawei. Top reviews from the United States. Selfie stick tripod. I've been looking for a sturdy and durable selfie stick and this time I finally found it. The following is the feeling during use. It's super lightweight but feels sturdy at the shorter height even when holding my iPhone 13 Pro Max. The materials used are very good, I have not found any defects or quality control issues. Remote pairing via Bluetooth does not require any app, no problem with Android or iOS. A phone holder large enough to hold the largest phones on the market. It has enough height for selfie stick use, and it folds very small. The top is detachable and very convenient to carry. The phone holder is screwed to tighten, no need to pry the phone out of the spring-loaded dead grip. Well made, sturdy, and also comes with accessories for cameras with tripod screws as well as mobile phones. Multiple holding styles, stand-alone, handheld or selfie stick, are very versatile and can switch between tripods and selfie sticks, making it easier for me to shoot video. Overall, I've been very impressed with the tripod so far, especially the price, the quality of the materials it's made of, the Bluetooth remote. It has everything I want. This is the most useful of the many tripods and selfie sticks I've tried. I would highly recommend it if you are a content creator.